Hey guys, it's Monday, April 20th, and things are going to look a little bit different in the stream. From here on out, the only thing that's going to post in the stream will be the directions and instructions video. Okay, and then to get to the assignments, you'll have to click on classwork. And today we are going to be doing a figurative language practice, so we need to click on figurative language. And then today we'll be doing a personification practice, what is being personified. And so if you remember from last week, personification is giving human characteristics or traits to objects or maybe ideas. Okay, so let's open that document up and we'll do the example together. But first let's read the instructions. In each sentence, an object or idea is personified. Identify the object or idea that is being personified and explain which human trait or action is applied to the object or idea. Okay, so number one, the wind whispered through the dark and gloomy forest. So there is one thing in there that is being given a human trait. Okay, and that one thing is the wind. And what trait is the wind being given? The trait is whisper. Oops, that didn't go blue. Let's make that blue real quick. Wind can't whisper, right? Whispering needs vocal cords, which is something that humans have. Wind is just an object. It cannot whisper. That is why wind is being personified and the trait that's being given is whispered. Okay, so that is your personification practice for today. Let's jump into Number the Stars. Today you are reading or listening to Chapter 8. Again, this is going to look a little bit different as well. I've separated the chapters from the assignment. Okay, so start by reading Chapter 8, or you can listen to it. And then your assignment is the Chapter 7-8 assignment. Okay, and with this, you're putting the following statements in chronological order. So here are the events, and then you just click which of these is the first event. Okay, and then click next, and you should have, again, 2 short answer questions. Okay. So that is it for today. Figurative language practice, personification practice, read or listen to Chapter 8, Number the Stars, and then a assignment over Chapters 7 and 8. If you've got questions, email me, let me know, message me through Google Classroom, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.